Hi everyone, today we're going to be taking a look at the Task Management Template, a simple but effective dashboard to manage your tasks in Notion using databases. This template is comprised of two databases, the Tasks database and the Projects database. And the Projects database actually gives you a view into the tasks associated with a given project. So let's go ahead and jump into the template. Once you click into create a new personal dashboard, you can create as many new personal dashboards as you like, and they're essentially personal places within the workspace for your team to manage tasks. So let's go ahead and create a new personal dashboard. Okay, so the personal dashboard has loaded up and you'll see 5 different views within the personal dashboard. The first is inbox, followed by today, tomorrow, this week, and calendar. Let's go ahead and jump into the inbox. This represents the main point of access for adding tasks to the Notion workspace. So go ahead and favorite this page by hitting the star in the top right hand corner. You can then quickly capture tasks here by accessing the inbox on your sidebar. So let's go ahead and add a task. Example task 3. And we're going to set a priority of second priority, and we're going to set a due date for Thursday. Once we assign a project, we can click on the relation and choose example project 2. If we jump over to the This Week view, we can see example task 3 with a due date for Thursday. At any point, if we select Done, the task will disappear from this view. The same applies for today, tomorrow, and this week. The calendar allows you to see tasks both in the past and in the future. So we're now in the Projects dashboard, and this is essentially 3 different views of the Projects database inside of one page. For ease of use, we can go ahead and favorite the page so that it appears in our sidebar. On the left, you'll see a list grouped by project owner. Essentially, all projects that exist in the workspace will appear here. We can see projects by timeline, and this allows us to plan and manage capacity so that we're not doing too many projects at one time. If I go ahead and create a new project here and type it project 1, we can extend or reduce the project and set due dates, which will then appear in every other view of the project. Finally, we have the gallery view of the projects page. In here, we can click into the project and we can add a cover. We can select the new project template and it will associate all tasks related to this project available to be viewed here. We can set a project owner and we can set team members who are interested in the project. By adding tasks either here or down here, we can associate tasks with this project. So just to really make this clear, I'm going to jump back to the personal dashboard. And I'm going to create a task and assign it to the project. So let's do example task 1, and let's duplicate that a couple of times. Now, if we select the project column and click edit property project, we can assign it to project 1. If we jump back to the projects dashboard, we can click into project 1 and we'll see our 3 tasks created here. Generally speaking, the projects dashboard is more of a team page. This is very much likely to be shared with other team members. The personal dashboard is your own personal space to record tasks. So go ahead and share this page with as many team members who you think would benefit from accessing the projects dashboard. That wraps up the task management template. It features a personal dashboard and projects dashboard. The final consideration is to put your databases in the workspace's backend, the central repository holding the databases in your Notion workspace, or alternatively, add them to the sidebar. You can do this by dragging and dropping to the workspace level page of the sidebar.